Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by securing your data and power. First, backup photos, contacts, and any app data to cloud or PC so you don't lose crucial files. Once done, make sure the Realme C35 battery is above 50% or keep it plugged in to avoid interruptions. Now power the phone off completely. You then press and hold volume down and power together until the Realme logo appears, which drops you into recovery mode where the reset options live. You'll navigate recovery using the volume keys and confirm choices with the power button. This avoids accidental taps. Next, highlight wipe data or factory reset and select it. This erases user data and restores system settings, which is necessary to fix persistent software issues. After confirming, wait for the process to finish. It can take a few minutes. If recovery offers wipe cache partition, do it as well because clearing temporary files can prevent boot issues and speed the first restart. You complete the flow by selecting Reboot System Now. Your phone will restart into the clean setup flow. Once the system boots, sign in and restore backups, making sure accounts and apps sync correctly. If the device gets stuck in a boot loop, go back into recovery and try wiping cache again or repeat the factory reset. Sometimes a second pass fixes corrupted temp data. If issues persist, you may need to flash official stock firmware using SB.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.